just like that, we scored on an XR70. 2002 XR70R. I'm doing 140 motor swap on it. Gonna do the wiring harness and then get the engine in there and then go order the rest of the parts I need, like fork seals, back brake assembly, back brake pedal, just little stuff. Alright, I'm gonna be installing the wiring harness on this 2002 XR70. There are kids outside playing basketball, so sorry for the excessive and or annoying background noise. But there's a tab right here for the CDI box. I bent it up because it was bent down. But CDI box is going to go right here on this left tab. Slide it on there into place. And then the engine with the stator wires are going to be on the left side. So we're going to route them this way. And then I have a key. Put a key switch right under the gas tank next to the front fender. Keys can go in there. Yep, okay, cool. And then we got our key switch, which is, I believe, this one right here. Yep. And then we can go right here, and I'll zip tie that together. Okay, zip tie right there. Where'd my zip ties go? Zip tie right there. And then that. With that. And then pull the slack. Oh, come on. Pull the slack out right there. And cinch down on it. Rotate it so it's out from under the gas tank. Push that tab in. Push that tab in too. There we go, perfect. Cool. And then this is the kill switch. I'm not going to be using the on-off switch. I like just the little button. So that will go right there. And same thing. Route it right there. Pull that tab up. Put that right in there. And then left handlebar, it's going to be routed through this left side, coming up, just like that, and then boom, right on the handlebar. Take this one off, get this zip tie off, and then re-zip tie it with a little small one, and then stator wires, and this would be our spark plug coil. Right here there is a bolt that is snapped, and then this, there is no bolt, but it does have threads, so I can't push it through because this is threaded, it won't go through. So I'm thinking of just running this through like that, and putting a washer and then a nut to hold that, and then hide everything in there, and then 3 wires to the stator, 2 wires to the coil, around the coil wire right there. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Top engine bolt out, and then I was using help with spacers yesterday off my YZ. A little bit bigger one. Okay. Let's see. Alright, well, I don't know if that's exactly going to work, so we're going to actually throw the motor in here real quick, and then... This could possibly be a struggle, it could possibly not be, so we'll see. Push those out of the way. Ah, line it up. Hopefully this fits. It seems to be sliding in just fine, on the back side at least. I should be using a wrench to do this, but whatever. Alright, cool. See if that works. That's gonna be a bitch. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. And it goes all that way. This 190 motor out of the way. Ah, fucker. That could have been bad. Cool. We now got the bottom motor mount bolt in, and got it on the thread. Nut on the thread. Okay, now I can see if I'm gonna be able to put my coil where I want it to be. From the looks of it, probably, maybe, try to work with it. Look weirder than hell if it does work. Nope. Nada. Alright. 3 wires to the stator. I already got these sectioned off. Blue, green, red. Blue, green, red. And then those two go to the coil. I gotta find a place to put the coil though, because that doesn't seem it's gonna work right there. So carburetor's right there, fuel line's gonna stick up and go that way. Yeah. And then I don't think I could put it right there, that'd get in the way of the gas tank. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera, but angle grinder and the gold piece. Ting ting. Well, I did everything off camera. I rerouted the CDI box around up into here, and then rerouted the stator wires. And then you got your spark plug coil, ran it through here, tucked it back there, and then your actual stator, like I said, coming around through there. You got your key switch and your kill switch.